Hi everyone! Today, let me start with an inspiring verse from the book of Philippians 2 verses 3 to 4 from the NIV. It says, "Do nothing out of selfish ambition or with conceit. Rather, in humility, let us value others above ourselves, not looking at our own interests, but each one of us to the interests of others." Today, how can you and I be of service and of significant relevance to others? Do you know that we can use our unique set of skills to have that advantage and at the same time be of genuine help? So how do we go about it? Let us be reminded of 3 simple tips beginning with letter T. Tune in actively. We can always choose to value others above ourselves, and doing so directly in terms of active listening, to really be there for the person. It requires most often than not setting aside our own agenda to truly be able to understand what the other party means. Letter I, initiate meaningful outreach. Approaching interactions with the humility of heart and valuing others encourages genuine and meaningful conversations. And finally, letter P, let us present our strengths authentically. What does that mean? Let us not be doing this out of what we can gain or selfishness. Rather, we can showcase our abilities and with focus on how it can benefit others, because in really being there and offering our acts of service and help in relation to our profession or out of goodwill and friendship, authenticity truly shines through and others can really feel it. As always, remember, you and I can stand out and shine.